Hello everyone, welcome if you're new here, or welcome back to my channel. I make lifestyle content, post-grad content. I recently graduated with my master's of social work and I'll be starting a full-time job at the end of June, so welcome. Today I figured I would take you on a day in my life as an unemployed 24-year-old living with her parents, because that's just how life is right now. But yeah, I've also been in kind of a funk, so I've been trying to like create more of a routine in my day, because after graduating, like when you're so used to go and I had a million things going on, to like having nothing going on, it's just really like shocking to my system. I don't know what to do with myself. So I figured I would vlog, and there have been things that I've been doing, like going on walks, which I'm about to do right now. I don't really feel like going on a walk, but I know that it's going to make me feel good, so we're gonna do that. And yeah, I've just been doing random things. I've been getting back into reading, currently reading Daisy Jones and the Six, which I want to finish really soon, and I'm trying to focus on like working out, on decluttering my space, going through my stuff, getting things situated before I start my new job. So yeah, really trying to take the time to enjoy this time and relax as much. And it's like fighting my system, because I'm very much like, oh my gosh, like I can't just relax, but like reminding myself that like it's okay, you need to. And like, when else am I ever gonna have like time to just do nothing? Usually when I go on walks I get coffee afterwards, but I'm really trying not to. If you guys didn't watch my graduation vlog, I like just spent a lot of money because I had to get like my tires replaced on my car, and I'm like unemployed basically. So yeah, I really need to save my money, but also I really want a coffee. But also I got this like Dunkin' iced coffee the other day that's cake batter flavored, and I really wanted to try it, so maybe we'll try it. Honestly, I don't really have plans for today other than doing my routine. Like, I think after this I'll go home, make breakfast, create like a to-do list, might work on decluttering my space, read, maybe lay out. We'll see where the day takes us. Let's go on a nice long walk, plug in a podcast. Today's podcast that I'll be listening to is Healthy But Human. Okay, my car does not have a good place to put a camera, so these angles are just not it. But just got done with my walk, feeling good. It's nice because it wasn't hot yet. We're about to go home, drink coffee, which is much needed, and breakfast. I don't know what to do for breakfast because we don't really have a lot. It might just be like a peanut butter toast and fruit type of a day, but that's fine by me. I also, like, we don't have bagels, but I've been putting cream cheese on toast and putting everything but the bagel seasoning, and it just like hits it, like kicks that bagel craving, you know. It literally feels so much better. I'm glad I did that. I find like the days that I'm able to wake up early and go on a walk in the mornings really just make me feel good. It clears my head. It gives me something to do, just like a 30-minute walk, and I feel so good after, and I feel like I'm ready to like be more productive and focus and just yeah, I don't know, connecting with like nature. Like I was looking at the trees and the birds and like the water, and it was so pretty, and the sun creeping in, and it just really calmed my soul. Like it just feels so good. Like I can't even describe how much I just love being in the presence of nature, in nature. But yeah, so yeah, I've also been journaling more, so I want to do that, doing more affirmations and things like that. So yes, let's go have some coffee and breakfast because I'm hungry. Okay, the lighting is so much better in my room. I made breakfast. I made a TikTok of me trying this and it's not bad. I don't know if I'm getting cake batter as much as just like vanilla iced coffee, but you know, it's still good. I definitely fell for the packaging though. Like look at the cute little sprinkles. They also had a coffee cake one, which I didn't get, but yeah. So here's my breakfast: peanut butter toast with raspberries, and then cream cheese toast with everything but the bagel. Pretty classic breakfast. Working with what I have. I really need to go grocery shopping, but I think that's going to be tomorrow because I get paid from my old job tomorrow. So yes, but yeah, I'm probably just going to eat my breakfast, watch either YouTube or Seventh Heaven, because don't ask me why I've been watching that show. It's very unhinged, but like it's a comfort show. I don't know. Anyways, I will catch up with you guys soon. I just went through all my clothes in my drawer and I am tackling my to-do list. By the way, I got this planner off of Amazon. It's linked in my Amazon storefront. I figured this would be so perfect for my new job because it's a daily planner and it's literally so much room. Like it's so easy. Like it basically has the day layout and then it has action items and follow-ups. So basically a giant to-do list, and then on the other page it has just a notes section, and it's pretty big. It was only like $12, I think, and I got the pink one. I think they have some other colors, but the pink one was the one that I liked the best. So yeah, it's very simple, nothing fancy. And then for the monthly layout, I use my Google Calendar. I just wanted basically just a long to-do list, but I went through my clothes. I have some clothes that I want to donate. I'm gonna go through my bookshelf and see what books I can donate, things like that. And then I want to go through my makeup drawers and then toss anything that I don't need. But yeah, so let's get to work. I'm making another coffee because I need it. So I brewed some coffee and I set it to the side to cool off. It's pretty cool. Now I'm gonna refill my cup with ice. Also, I'm boiling water. I'm gonna make some hard-boiled eggs and have like an egg salad with veggies. That just sounds really good to me. I love egg salad, tuna salad, you name it, I love it. So just gonna pour that in here, try not to make a mess. Okay, I think I need more ice, to be honest. I've been really into hazelnut lately. I've really enjoyed the Califia cookie butter creamer, but I cannot find it anywhere. So we're just doing a splash of that. Ooh, I'm gonna add a little bit of this because I need to finish it. Like there's barely any left in here. Wow, that is so good. Why is that so good? I don't know. That's fantastic. This is like probably the best coffee mate flavor, this or the coconut one. Wait for this water to boil and then wait for my eggs to boil and eat some lunch because like I said, I'm very hungry. This is my super random lunch, but I have egg salad, cucumber, bell peppers, these puffs, and then half of a hamburger bun because we're low on bread. I don't know, it just sounds good, so I'm gonna enjoy this. So it is a few hours later. I just did some computer work and stuff, and now I'm going to do a workout. Recently bought, well, I got 12-pound dumbbells, and then I've had these 5-pound ones, and today I'm doing like a HIIT lighter weights workout, so we're gonna do that. And I'm nervous doing it, but I want to push myself because, you know, we'll see how I feel. I'll obviously listen to my body, but I am nervous because the workout looks hard, but I really want to at least try it. So we're going to do that, and then I will shower. I really need to shave, even though I don't really want to, but it's summer. And then have dinner, and then do the nighttime routine, which is read, scroll through TikTok, brush my teeth, and go to bed. So yeah, so today's a pretty chill day. I don't know what tomorrow will bring, but we shall see. And yeah, I'm stalling for my workout, but let's get sweaty. Like let's just get it on, okay? So the workout was much harder than I thought, even though it was really hard, and I only made it to halfway, and I'm like, I can't, like, I can't. But you know what, we did it. We did half of it. That's better than nothing, and we will try again tomorrow. This is your sign. Like, if you feel bad about yourself for not being able to finish a workout, that's okay. There are days where you can do the same workout and one day you'll be like, man, that was like easy. The next day it could be brutal. Like you could be not feeling good, your body needs rest, your period, whatever it is. Speaking of, mine's coming sometime this week, so that's probably why. I'm out of breath. But I'm proud of myself for trying, getting that muscle, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna hop into the shower because I am sweaty, and yeah, I will talk to you guys when I do my night routine. Alright y'all, it's nighttime. Obviously it's, what time is it? It's 9:30. I'm going to read Daisy Jones and the Six and then head to bed. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog, and thank you all so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. It means a lot, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Love you guys.